Hello guys, I've had keen interest in trading and I used to engage in it with the knowledge I had, limited knowledge. However, I never profited consistently, and when I did, I would lose it again. Fortunately, I got familiar with Meta Trading Club. I attended their classes and I identified my mistakes. I've learned a lot of things which I've never known about before. That was awesome, really awesome. And I'm very grateful now. I've been making substantial profit and I appreciate their guidance, and I hope others can benefit from this opportunity as well. Thank you so much and have a good one. Take care.